You know, last I remember of you, you were quite a timid little thing. You had a pine cone wrapped in wool, dragged it with you wherever you went, calling it Dash. Someone told you that Queen Victoria had a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel called Dash, and you decided you wanted the same.
Why did you never visit?
I lead a busy life. I came here to give you this.
Dash.
She always found you quite extraordinary, as do I. Enola Holmes. The choice is always yours. Whatever society may claim, it can't control you. If we do find her again, I'd like her to be my ward. I'll take care of her.
Come on, Sherlock! What on earth were you doing?
Thought I saw something.